Every day I'm hustling, 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 every day I'm hustling.
Hello and welcome back to Fufu Daily. Well, we only have 15 days left, but I can see everybody is donating and trying to help to get this project. But before we go there, I would like to address one little thing. Because I had to recuperate and to recover of something that happened. So I just want to share this with you people, because as you know, there was a football play, and it was between Nigeria and Argentina. And I was a little bit sad. Yes, I can tell you people, I was a little bit sad. Yes, and disappointed and everything. But that's why I couldn't vlog about it yesterday. I first had to find myself again, after this little setback from my country, Nigeria. But, there were certain things that happened there that might have put Nigeria further in this competition. And I don't want to get into this too much. I'm just saying so it has something to do with hands. With hands. I'm just going to say it anyway. So, and if that referee had just recognized that, I think it was a whole other game. But okay, we're doing good anyway, and I'm very proud of my country that we went so far, because after all, there are a lot of countries that are not even in this competition. I'm not pointing fingers at any countries, but you know which ones I'm talking about. It's something with orange always, and something with red, blue, and white. That's all I'm going to say. But anyway, so Nigeria, my Super Eagles, yes, I'll support you anywhere. And I know you are capable because you have great players, great players. And yes, like for example, people always say they would like Messi, and he's a very good football player, to play in that final soccer game. But it's nice for him because maybe he can win everything then in his lifetime. But for me, I would prefer if there had also been an African land, from some land out of this continent. That would be very nice. It would be a change for once. So we were very close, and some people want to see Messi. Well, I would like to see Musa, because he's a very fast and good soccer player. So anyway, that's just that I wanted to share because, no matter what, I have to support them because they did a great job. They really did a great job. So, but now I got that off my chest. I'm very glad to share with you also something else, that the amount is going up. The amount is really going up. Thank you so very much, people that have donated. It's going up. We're not there yet, and we have 15 days left. So I need you to share and talk about it and tell other people how special this event is, so that we can gather more money and I can make it possible to reach more children, to help them get more inspiration, creativity, and get them inspired to make art, not only for themselves but to share it with others, so that the art and its culture and everything can just return back to the place that they're living in, the Wijk. That's why it's called Drums in the Wijk. So, and then the people that have been educated and have been inspired can be an inspiration for other children in the WIC. And then you will get a nice, as they say here, culture participative. Oh, you see, I can't even say it. Let me try again. Culture participative. Oh, see? Okay, let me say it. Culture participatie. Yes, culture participatie in the WIC. Okay, so to get that, we need to reach those children, eh? And before I start bragging about two people that donated, I have one more big announcement. Because as you know already, Drums in the WIC is in samenwerking met de gemeente Rotterdam, but also a new party decided to help us with Drums in the WIC. Eh? It's a very nice organization, and the name is TOS. Thuis op straat. TOS. So you check that out, because they have a lot of things that they are also doing. But I'm going to work with TOS in the Tarwewijk. In the Tarwewijk. So probably there we'll just start and do these things. So you know that is already one place in Charloes we are going to be at these Drums in the WIC vacation. In the vacation we're going to be in the Tarwewijk. So, well, that is very nice. This is fabulous news, because people and organizations believe in us. So they're willing to participate in making this something that can continue for a little while. So that is fabulous news. It's really good, really good. So then we'll have more culture participation in the WIC. So you know. Anyway, let's see. We have some generous donors. Let's see who donated. Let me look. I'm going to look in my computer for one moment. Oh, Lotte. Oh, this is a beautiful woman with a lot of strength. I met her at Docks. Yes, Lotte. Yes. Oh, she's such a strong individual. Oh, thank you for donating, Lotte. Thank you very much. It's very appreciated. Thank you. Let's see who else. Oh, I can see Lise, this is so fabulous. Lise, this is my girlfriend though. This is my friend, really, Lise. I haven't seen you in a while, but you're still in my heart, because Lise, you know, I'll just tell these people, she had these fabulous little curls on her head, just a little bit like my curls, but a little bit bigger. And her hair was also always that beautiful red color. Oh, I really miss you. But thank you for donating, and I hope you're doing good and your family is doing good. And that maybe we can meet up for some coffee. That would be nice. But thank you so much for your donation. Thank you. Yes, thank you. Let's see who else. Oh, right. Lan. Right. Oh, this is the man, eh? This is the man that inspired me to become an actress, eh? That helped me when nobody was helping me. He was there. Yes, right. Oh, and you were so generous. Ooh, I didn't expect this. Wow, this is something. You really believe in me, eh? Thank you so much. I know you believe in me, because from the first day we worked together, you always trusted I'll do fine. And look where I am right now, trying to teach other people confidence, and motivation to just push through when things are hard, because you can do it. If you believe in it and you believe in yourself, then you can do it. And that are some things that Ryan taught me. Very valuable lessons, and I hope to teach them to that children of Drums in the WIC. So Ryan, thank you so very much. This is just another acknowledgement of you knowing that I can do this. So thank you very much. Let's see who else donated. Let me look. Oh, Crystal donated. Crystal donated. This is fabulous. Crystal is my long friend. We also work together, and now we're starting up something beautiful again, with some other people too. So, Crystal, you know, yeah. So, thank you. Thank you for donating. Let's see who has donated. Let's see. Oh, Carmen. Carmen, thank you. Thank you, Carmen. I had the pleasure to work with this fabulous actress, with some other actors in some kind of technique that we participated in. And it was very nice. Yes, it was nice working with her. She's very talented, and she taught me a lot. Yes. Thank you. And thank you for trusting me, and thank you for donating a Drums in the Wike. And people that are tuning in, you can still donate. We have 15 days left, so just donate your money into the Drums account so we can make this happen with all of us. Let's see who else donated. Let me see. Oh, Elsa. Elsa is a beautiful woman that is also an actress and a model, and she has these beautiful long legs, so that's why she's probably a model. But I saw you donated very generous again. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you soon. But I'm following you on your page and everything, so I know what you're up to. You're doing fine. It's nice. Thank you for your support. Thank you. Let's see who else. She left her email address, but you thought I wouldn't know it was you, You thought I forgot because she said Imat, but I know it is you because only one person has that kind of email address, Patu. It's you, Patricia? It is you. Yes, it is you that donated, that trusted me. Oh, this girl with her beautiful hair. Oh, you're such a beautiful woman. So strong. You became so strong. So vibrant, and so just a pleasure to work with and a pleasure to be around. So thank you. I hope, and I might be calling you, to get that positive energy to that children, because she's also a teacher, and she could teach that children a few things in persistence and just going for your goal and doing it when things get tough, just pushing through. Yeah, she's really an inspiration. So I hope maybe you can be in one of our lessons, and teach those children these kind of things. So thank you for your donation. Thank you very much. Okay, and who else? Let me see. Oh, Fena. Yes, thank you, Fena, for your donation. This girl works so hard, she's finishing up her school, and I met her also by an organization that I work for. Yes. Thank you, Fena, for your donation. Oh, I hope you're doing good, and I hope you graduate soon. Thank you for donating, Fena. Okay, who else? Oh, Sheila, hey, you're not in Holland. Aren't you on a world trip or something? Because I'm seeing all these pictures, and you're not even in Holland, and you took the time to donate for my cause, for my Drums in the Wike. How? Sheila, whoa, this is fabulous. So you were busy doing everything, and then you just stopped to donate, to press that button. And you're at the other side of the world now, I think. Other side. Yes. Wow. This is fabulous. And then let me see. Oh, you donated very generous. Yes. Thank you. Sheila, oh. I hope you can take me on that motorcycle ride one time, because I'm still a little bit jealous that you can ride a motorcycle and I can't. So maybe I can jump behind you and we can just have a little tour when you're back. I hope so. I really hope so. So thank you for your donation. Thank you. And be safe at that other side of the world. Be safe. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Sheila. Let me see. Oh, Linda. Oh, Linda is a theater maker. Linda, thank you. I know you're also busy making things, and this is one to remember also. Linda, yes, thank you for your donation. I hope we can work together one time again. Maybe I'll need you by drums in the mic. So just keep that phone near you because I might call. Thank you, Linda. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Let's see. Oh, yes, let me see. Ahmed. Oh, Ahmed, yes, thank you very much. This is somebody that I know from football. Yes. Oh, thank you for donating. Thank you very much. Yes. Oh, these people. Oh, well, I have to end with this last one. Hell, this one I really know from way back, from when we were still children, you know I'm talking about you. Yes, you even have the same name as my boyfriend. You have the same name. You know who you are already. Yes, Ruben. Are you still there in America? Or you moved already? We go way back. It's so good to hear from you. And thank you for your generous donation. Ruben, thank you. This is very nice. That after all these years, you still have trust in me, Ruben. But you know it. I always do what I promise. So, thank you very much. Well, people, of course, a lot of other people are donating, and they will be addressed in the next vlog because time is running out, and I have some business calls to make so that we can also have the 24th of August, of course, in the Continental Arts Center in Rotterdam. The day that the presentation is, we really need food or a sponsor that can bring that food there. So what I'm doing, I'm talking with some parties, and it is very nice because if that deals can be closed, that means that I can give those children something extra. Then they will come there at 9, and the whole day they will be taken care of by drinks, with food, and they can eat as they like, and they can eat whatever they like. And then at night they will have first a dinner with all the children. So if you know any sponsors, just let me know at drumsinthewike@gmail.com. And then after that fabulous dinner where they can eat whatever they want, as we are now making those arrangements, then they will have the presentatie at 8 o'clock. So, and then after the parents have been there and everybody they invited, they can just ventilate everything that they had and everything that they enjoyed and everything that they made in those weeks that they were working, in that 1 week that they were working. So that would be fabulous. So if anybody knows any sponsors that can sponsor food or any sponsors that can sponsor spaces, just let me know at drumsinthewike@gmail.com. drumsinthewike@gmail.com. Send me a message. So let's do this for the children and make them as happy as we can make them. Let them enjoy the summer vacation. Because some people cannot go on vacation. And Drums in the Wike just wants to give them the best. So I hope you can help me by donating. That's what you have to do. Donate. You can do that via Ideal. You already know how it works. Just press that button, donate, and they will take your money off. Always donate generous. Generous donations. That's what we like. But of course, every donation is fine. And I'll just try to mention you in my vlog so everybody can see how generous that you have been. So for now, I would really like to tell everybody on this sunny day, have a nice day, and of course I'll see you tomorrow by Umfufu Daily. So I'll leave you with this sentence: just keep it safe and keep it popping. See you tomorrow.